I started here at 3 years old and have grown up to be a product of the Holy Name's education and experience. You're all here to learn more about our school and decide if it's the right fit for your daughter. Let me tell you how Holy Names has formed me into who I am today. I have 6 main elements that I've summarized my time at Holy Names in: education, tradition, leadership, service, extracurriculars, and guidance. Starting with education, the most important one, there are so many opportunities for students to not only academically succeed, but to thrive. In middle school, students learn organizational skills and time management, and are even allowed to start taking high school classes during their 8th grade year. As a senior, I'm so grateful I took advantage of that opportunity because I'm now able to take more AP courses and UHS courses for college credit, and I also have more time to work on my college applications and scholarships. Another element is the traditions that Holy Names is built upon. Holly Ball, Spring Fest, You Are Beautiful Day, and so many more traditions instill the Holy Name spirit in our students. It promotes unity among our student body and connects our current student body to all of the alumni. The leadership opportunities here are vast and accessible to all the students who seek them. Throughout my high school career, I've been involved in so many clubs and organizations that I have risen into leadership within. I am proud to currently be the president of the Student Council, vice president of the National Honor Society, president of the Youth Ministry, and an officer of the Ambassadors Club, which is why I'm here talking to you today. These roles have taught me the leadership qualities I needed to be a strong leader, not only within just the Holy Names community, but throughout all aspects of my life. Next, I'd like to talk about the community service aspect of our school. Each year, high school students have a certain amount of service hours to complete to ensure we are giving back to our community. Then, in senior year, students create their own service project or opportunity for other students to partake in. These projects, along with other events, offer many in-school opportunities for our students to give back. Over the years, I tried everything. This way, when it came time for my senior service project, I knew exactly what I wanted to do. My volleyball teammate and I hosted our annual breast cancer awareness volleyball game, along with a school assembly and an opportunity to paint the campus pink for October, which is Breast Cancer Awareness Month. Overall, we raised over $4,000 for a local nonprofit breast cancer awareness organization. I found so much fulfillment through giving back to my community over the years, completing more than 400 hours of service. Our extracurricular activities are essential to life at Holy Names. Sports, theater, music, art, clubs, you name it, we probably have it to some capacity. Even if we don't, you can start it. Holy Names promotes creativity for our students. Due to many of those students' creativity over the years, AHN offers 13 sports teams, 2 drama productions, dozens of music and art electives, and 25+ clubs for students to participate in. During your tour today, I encourage you to ask what extracurriculars your guide is involved in. I'm sure she will be happy to tell you more about her passion for those activities. Finally, the guidance here at Holy Names is truly like nowhere else. Each student is assigned a teacher advisor, which they meet with once a week to check in on how they are doing. This also acts as a point person for parents to contact. My advisor, Mrs. Baxter, our biology teacher, helped me realize that I wanted to pursue a career in healthcare. We begin the college process in sophomore year, where girls start to brainstorm what career options they might want to pursue. Junior year, we begin to create our applications. Starting my senior year, I had everything ready to go. I owe my preparedness to our amazing college counselors for guidance during this exciting yet stressful time. I'm so lucky to have had such amazing support over the years as I continue my education in nursing school with plans to eventually become a pediatric nurse practitioner. Looking back on my time at Holy Names, I am so grateful for not only the amazing education I have received, but also the amazing experiences, skills, and memories I have acquired. Our school motto, Esse Quam Videre, means to be rather than to seem. That is what our girls are, authentic. If you take one thing away from my speech today, please make it this. The Holy Names experience is unlike any others in the area. Not only do I encourage you to become a part of our AHN community, but I encourage you to take advantage of everything it has to offer, as I did. The best way to truly see the Holy Names experience is to come to a shadow day if your daughter hasn't already. I'll be around after my speech to help answer any questions from the student perspective. Thank you, and I hope to see you all on campus again soon.